Stampers, this is Super Awesome Stamper Shirley Merker. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Sun Prairie, Wisconsin, USA. This is the waterfall kit that I will be sharing during the June 24th, 2023 Craft Along with the One of a Kind Facebook group. So I'll be selling these kits on my blog at superawesomestamper.com. I'm not going to be including the Cajun Craze kit initially, but I am including a Daffodil Delight kit. So everything to create this card is included in your kit, excluding the stamped images. You will need to add your own stamps and inks and adhesives to complete the kit. To complete this particular design, I use the Nature's Prints stamp set and Daffodil Delight ink pad. Included in your kit will also be this ribbon. Now, it is white and balmy blue variegated, but I will be hand coloring those using my light Daffodil Delight blends marker, and blue and yellow make green, so it makes a nice little variegation there. The second kit included in this offering is going to be the Zoo Crew pattern paper pack. So let me flip back to the page here. It's got a better image on the catalog page. This pattern paper pack features lots of images I can cut apart and include in your kit, and they're small enough that they'll fit on those squares. So the second kit in the offering will feature the Zoo Crew Designer Series paper. The first kit is going to be this Daffodil Delight from the Fresh as a Daisy pattern paperback. So if you'd like to place an order for my kits in the mail, go to my blog at superawesomestamper.com and click on Kits in the Mail or the One of a Kind icon for full details and ordering your kit using PayPal. Included in this offering will be a PDF of this particular design. It'll have all the cutting and scoring measurements and 11 different designs featuring the waterfall technique, so you get an idea of how to use your supplies to make additional waterfall cards. If you'd like to place a new product order, my ordering host code is up in the upper left-hand corner. You just go to my online store, which is accessible through my blog, to place new product orders. Otherwise, I hope you join me for the June 24th, 2023 One of a Kind Craft Along. Stamp with you soon.
It's Tanya with Riley & Company here with a little sneak peek of our June Oak kits. You guys are going to love this one. It's kind of a mega kit because we have included lots of stuff. First, let me show you the cards. Are these fantastic? Look at this. Happy birthday. It looks so pretty. And then it's just got a snarky funny bone statement on it. Ha ha ha. Look at all these gorgeous flowers and leaves. These are all cut out. Aren't they fabulous? So there's card 1. Here is card 2. I'm not a craft hoarder. I'm the curator of an extensive private craft supply collection. You get this little craft table. You get a color and put it together. And finally, look at this. Can you really get salmonella from eating cookie dough? Or are people just trying to keep me from living my best life? I mean, really, right? Look at this. These are little die cuts. And look at that Cookie Riley, and it opens up into that. So, of course, everything is pre-cut and pre-die cut for you, except for the flowers, because this die comes with the kit this month. Isn't it fabulous? All of these flowers and the outline flowers. This is a really great deal. And not only that, but you get this gorgeous, gorgeous EcoPark paper pad. Look at this paper. It is fantastic paper. I'm just crazy about it. So we even include the little baubles for you. So don't forget to go to RileyandCompanyOnline.com and grab yours before they sell out. And I will meet you at the Oak event and we'll make some cards together. Thanks. Have a great day.
wishing you a speedy recovery, sending get well wishes your way. It's Craft Fancy, and we're hoping that you're going to feel better because we're coming to you with a Feel Better Soon Rose card class on 624 in the One of a Kind group and on the Craft Fancy Facebook page. Our kit is going to be doing 3 cards, 2 portraits, and 1 landscape. Some of the products that are going to be included in our kit are the Radiant Roses die set, Radiant Rose layered stencil, Radiant Rose 5x7 embossing folder. And did I tell you those are all from Gina K? Well, they are. Also included is the Jelly Pink AB Resin Jewels, which is a sample pack. Pattern papers, cardstocks, die cuts, pre-stamped settlements, and envelopes are included to create 1 card each of the design for 3 cards in total, and all this for $38. Say it with me, visas are not included. You also need some additional products, which you might already have from past projects to complete this project, like the Get Well Hot Cocoa Stamp Set, Pierced Lattice Plate, Curved Cap Pinpoint Layers, and a bunch of Distress Oxide ink pads, like Spun Sugar, Picked Raspberry, Twisted Citron, and Rustic Wilderness. You guys know what to do already. It's go to www.craftfancy.com, click on Custom Scrapbook Kits, and you're going to be able to get your kit in time for the 624 One of a Kind group. Can't wait to see you guys there.